A loyal monthly donor's card expires. The next payment quietly fails and the gift just stops. No alert, no follow-up, a supporter you'd built a relationship with, gone. Let's catch it. Here's the plan. When a recurring payment fails, email your team so someone can reach out and save the gift. In Charitable, add a webhook and pick a connector template. We'll use make.com. Give it a clear name. Now the event. Choose recurring payment failed, so it fires the moment a renewal is declined. Then paste your connector's webhook URL as the delivery URL. Save, then open Test and Debug and send a real request to confirm a green success. In your connector, catch the webhook and send it to email. Now every failed renewal becomes an instant alert for your team. The moment a recurring gift fails, your team gets an email with the donor and the amount. Someone reaches out, the card gets updated, and the gift is saved. One more thing, Charitable already emails you when a recurring payment fails. Automation Connect just takes that further, sending the alert wherever your team already works. Recurring donors are your most valuable supporters. A declined card shouldn't cost you the relationship. Using Automation Connect and have an idea for us? Reach our team anytime at wpcharitable.com. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.